Well, today I'm going to teach you how to do the oil pressure sensor on a 2019 Kenworth T680 with a Paccar MX-13 in it. So we're on the passenger side of the engine. You can see right down in here on the front oil filter, that's your oil pressure sensor. So we're going to go ahead and take this twist lock off. Get that out of the way. We're going to need a 1.16" depot socket, long extension, and a ratchet. Put that down in there. Take it off. And the reason why we are changing this sensor is because this truck keeps throwing a check engine light for high oil pressure, and the gauge will start reading like 100. So this changed. There's your old one right there. Grab it out. You see the hole down in there where it goes. Here's our new one. That's what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and get that started. Got it started. Put our socket and extension back in there. Tighten it up. Nice and tight. Take that out. And, go ahead and put this twist lock back on there. Sometimes these can be a big pain in the butt to get them started. Sometimes you gotta play with it, twist it. With my right hand. Feels like it went on. Now we just gotta get it to twist. There it is. Sometimes you can't get that little extra lock. So I like to grab a set of pliers like this, get down in there, pinch on it, and give it a little turn. There it's locked in. So as you can tell, new sensor's down in there. Wiring's hooked back up. Put this wire back here, re-zip tie it. Zip tie back around there like they had it before. Cut it off. all done. So this job is actually pretty easy. I wouldn't, if I was having these problems, I don't think I'd pay to take it to a shop. Anybody with any type of mechanical aptitude or ability should be able to do this job real quick. Thanks for watching, guys.